coaching staff. But like I said, every challenge they've given her has only made her stronger. She admitted she was...
Our skill categories already. 4 kill blocks for LaSalle, 1 service ace. Hindi pa natin na isasama dyan. Lahat ng mga shank pass from a UE.
Van Bangayan, 22 serving 11.
That has been the main focus of the timeouts of the Lady Warriors. We have to get that first pass. We have to be consistent.
Van Bangayan has been that source of life here.
She always gets the ball at the highest point. Kaya hindi siya naaabot ng mga blockers ng UE.
Van Bangayan, improv play. I'm telling you,
Van Bangayan.
when there's Bangayan, there's a way. Let's go to Patrice Davao.
This season,
It's nice to have a friend inside the volleyball court to hold each other accountable. Malaluan, Dagba Ecalia, Reyes, bumps. Van Bangayan, straight to Canino. Micol, a setup job for Aliyah, and the rally continues. Balik kay Bangayan, Bangayan, and that hit was undiggable.
yeah. All scorers are on the board already for LaSalle.
That's a good point, Neil. Van Bangayan fires a bullet.
Van Bangayan.
That was a perfect opportunity for...
Good receive. Balingit from the opposite side. Easily dug. Transitioning to Angel Canino. The wall of UE has formed here in set number 2.
Everybody was compressed up front. Walang naiwan sa likod, and laging merong sweeper dapat sa likod.
Her energy has been infectious here in this set, which is why we are tied at 20. Lapot for the lead. Not yet, says UE. Pumps at Ecalia. Van Bangayan squeezing it past through the double block. And just like that, UE with a 1-point lead.
UE just maximized.
A high bump set for Bangayan, and they just needed that. That has to feel good. Second set. Van Bangayan.
To regain control of this game.
Reyes. Canino flying by. Check by Del Castillo. Soreño. Not there just yet. Ginoo will set to Van Bangayan. And she finds the line.
Van Bangayan.
And that's the thing I like about Van Bangayan. She's not choosy when it comes to sets. Kahit anong set na ibigay mo sa kanya.
Quick to Lilay. Ginoo setting it. Kay Cepada. Double block was there. Malaluan from the back. Cepada, isa pa. Nice save by Del Castillo. Soreño, tough angle. Bangayan naman. Van Bangayan. Corner pocket shot.
Finding zone 1 open. At this rate, aabot talaga siya sa 20-point mark. She's at 14.
She already has 3 blocks, talking about Lilay Del Castillo. Ecalia will hit. From the pipe, Aliyah Malaluan. Good dig by KC. That was a tough hit by Cepada. Canino above the double block. The chase by Ginoo. And the free ball will be given. Micol Del Castillo. Balingit with the save from the back. And that time it's straight to the net.
Point to UE.
Bangayan from the opposite side, scoring off the blocker's hands.
Bangayan has been the brightest spot for UE in this